It's been a while since I made any of the cooking videos, or like the cooking videos for idiots or for morons or any of those. So today we're just going to make a quick video on how to cook Kraft dinner for idiots. And so what you do is you put about 6 cups of water into a medium pot, and then what you do is you turn the burner on to high and make sure that you get the right burner, or else you look like an idiot like I do all the time for my wife. I forgot to mention before that if you want water to boil faster, you can put a lid on it. But once the water is boiling, like this, it's a hard boil, you can just dump all the noodles in there, and you can just give them a quick stir with a wooden spoon. And now it's going to take somewhere between about 7 or 8 minutes for them to be done. So you can put it on a timer, just look at a clock or something like that, and then once they start boiling you can actually put the temperature down to about medium and just wait for that time to pass. And of course you will want to test the noodles first to make sure that they are actually done. Okay, once the noodles are done, you're going to want to drain it, but as I said before, make sure that you test one of the noodles to make sure it's done. Don't stick your fingers in there. If you're an idiot to test one, you want to maybe not be an idiot. Maybe you'll use your spoon, pick up a couple, test them. Maybe grab a fork, use that to test them, but don't use your fingers because that would be an idiot move, right? So I'm going to drain this and I'll continue the video. Okay, once you have your noodles drained, you're going to put in 1 tablespoon of margarine. And I just eyeball that, but if you're an idiot and you can't eyeball anything, you will have to use a measuring spoon for that. So you're just going to mix that in there, make sure that melts, and that way it'll melt well. You don't want to put it in at the same time as the milk, or else the margarine may not melt fully. And then, once you have that mixed in, you're going to add your milk, and also you're going to add in your cheese from the package. Make sure you get it all out. Then you're just going to mix that up. And once I'm done mixing, I'll film a tiny bit more. And there you have it. That's how to make Kraft dinner for idiots. Now, when you're serving it up, make sure that you put it into bowls and not your hands, because if you put it in your hands, it'll be very hot and you'll burn yourself, and that'd just be a stupid thing to do. And even though this is a video for idiots, I do not want you to be burning your hands. So that's all for today, and enjoy your Kraft dinner.